right, so today we are going to make a cardboard tube print. This is an example of printmaking by the artist Andy Warhol. Say Andy.
Andy
Warhol.
Warhol.
We'll talk more about that later. This is an example of the print that you're going to make today. The first thing we need to do to make a print is to create our printmaking tool, and we're going to do that using a tube. All right? A cardboard tube. You can make these petals on the end of it. Let me show you how to do that. Get a tube, and you just take a pair of scissors and a tube. It's super simple, and you cut around like this. This is one way to do it. See how I'm cutting? All the way around, about an inch, half of an inch, probably half of an inch apart. Then you fold each of these petals backwards. Now these petals are going to be shaped like rectangles. If I want them to be curvy, then I would need to go in here and trim the corners off of each of these petals, and then I would be able to make flowers, right, little flower petals when I make my print. Now the other type is, maybe you would like to have some pointy flower tips, okay? Or you could make it kind of ruffly and cut them close together all the way around. So whatever you like to do. Okay, off.